Hello dear students, today we learn ratio and similar figure. Okay, first we study corresponding side and corresponding angles. Similar figure have corresponding side and corresponding angles. Okay, if we have two similar figure together, look, for example, we have these two figures. They are like each other in this shape. Similar figure means similar figure have the same shape. Okay, so we have these two figures. We have A, B, C, D with E, F, G, H. Okay, so at first we need to find corresponding sides. So corresponding side means, for example, look, AB side. Look, we have AB side. This side like this one. They have the same shape, but only the sizes change. Okay, so these two sides are the same. Means you tell me AB line segment on it corresponding to EF. This EF. So for the other sides, AD. So BC. This BC corresponding to which side of the other shapes? FG. So CD corresponding to GH. This GA, they are the same. And the last one, DA, this one, DA corresponding to HE. Okay, and they are the same. So for angles, are the same. For angles, look, this for size and corresponding for angles the same means we need to find the same. For example, angle A like angle E. Yeah, that's the same, but the scale is different. So you tell me angle A corresponding to angle E. Angle D corresponding to angle H. Angle B corresponding to angle F. Okay, angle B corresponding to angle F. Angle C corresponding to angle G. Angle C corresponding to angle G, and angle D corresponding to H. Okay, this corresponding angles and corresponding sides. This activity is so easy. I hope they made this one at home. So we have this example. Example 1. We have triangle M and P. This one, the first one. We have this one. Sorry. We have triangle M and P. Okay. And HJK, look, this one and this one, this HJK, sorry, this one. HJK, okay, HJK. We have these two triangles, they are similar. It's allowed they are similar means we need to find corresponding angles and corresponding sides. So find the measure of M, the measure of angle M, angle N, angle P, the first order, and the ratio of the lengths of corresponding sides. So the ratio, every time we write corresponding side like ratio, okay, because the length is different. So but the angles not, they are the same. Angle M, look, we have angle M corresponding to angle H. Yes, So angle H equal to 23 dialects, you tell me. So measure angle M is 23. So angle N corresponding to which one? Which angle? On the other figures corresponding to angle J. So the angle M measures is 25. Angle N. So angle P corresponding to angle K. So directly tell me the measure of P is 122. Okay, the angles are like each other, but because of, for example, MN, look, we have MN with HJ, the lengths are different, but they are corresponding sides. So every time corresponding side we write like ratio. So MN, I told you, MN corresponding to HJ. So MN, we have you write MN, look, M line segment on it. This corresponding to, sorry, MN, only write MN over what? Over HJ. HJ, okay. So the length of MN equal to what? The length of MN equal to 12 meter. 12, right, 12. So the length of HJ equal to how many? Equal to 18. Every time you can write small figure on a big figure. Okay, so our ratio is 12/18, but we need to simplify this one. So how? By divide by which number? 12 divided by which number? At the same time we can 18 divided by that number, 6. So we divide both number. You should write it like simplest form. Divide by 6 and 18 divided by 6. Okay, at that time 12 divided by 6 is 3, is 2, sorry, and 18 divided by 6 is 3. So our ratio, so corresponding MN to HJ is 2/3. So for NP, look, NP, the second time for NP, NP is 8 meter. NP, look, where's NP? NP is 8 meter. This wrong, this NP. Okay, NP here, look. NP is A, look, NP on J is, look, here they, look, this one is NP. Okay, this one is KJ. Okay, NP KJ, so equal to what? NP is, the length of NP is 8, and the length of JK or KJ, no problem, is 12. So look, again we should simplify this one. 8 divided by which number? At the same time count 12 divided by that number, 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by, so 12 divided by 4 is 3. So look, this ratio equal to this one. So all the ratio must be the same. It's not the same means you have no corresponding sides, but when they are the same means we have corresponding sides. So the last one, PM, this not NP, this PM, sorry, this one is PM. PM with KH. That's it only. I will change this one. Okay. KH with K. PN is 10 meters. Look, this 10 meter. And KH is 15. Again, we simplify this one. 10 divided by 5. At the same time, we can 15 divided by 5, so 2/3. All the ratios look. All the ratios are the same. Look. MN to the look. This 2/3. So this one is again, and the last one. Look. Look, all of them are the same, because so the ratio of the lengths of corresponding side is 2/3, means the sides are corresponding to each other. Okay, we wrote directly like this. You should tell me the ratio of the lengths of the corresponding side is 2/3. Okay, two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are congruent, or if the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Okay, I tell us two triangles are similar when the corresponding of angles are congruent, means the angles are the same and the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Okay, like here we have equal corresponding sides. Okay, the ratio. Example 2, look at this one. This example, it's A. Tell if triangle ABC is similar to DEF. Look, tell us if these are similar. Since these are triangle, check the measure of the corresponding angles or the ratio of the corresponding sides. One of them. You should check one of them directly. You know this one is similar or not. So we have these two figures. Look, we have ABC and DEF. Okay, directly we use corresponding angle, is so easier. So angle A and angle B. Look, angle A is 18. The measure of angle A is 18, and the measure of corresponding angles is D. So it's 18 is the same. So means A and D are congruent. For B, angle B is 68. So angle A is 68. This is so means they are congruent again. Angle B and A are congruent. And angle C, 32. So angle F, 32 again. So means C and F are congruent. So you tell me. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay. So I told you only use one of them. But look here. Tell if the rectangle PQSR is similar to rectangle WXZY. Check the measure of the corresponding angles and the ratio of the corresponding sides. So you should use both of them, because I told you check the measure of corresponding angles and together, not R, the ratio of the corresponding sides. So look at this figure. Because this rectangle, we know all the rectangles measure angle is 19 degrees right angle, so corresponding angles are congruent. So we use corresponding sides. Okay, for corresponding side, at first PQ, look, PQ, we write PQ over WX. Okay, this one WX. Okay, so equal to what? PQ is 4 meter. This 4 over WX is 6 meters. So when we divide it by two both number, we should change this fraction to simplest form, equal to 2/3. Okay, 2/3. So after that, Q R is 5. Okay, it's 5 meter. QR is 5 meter. over x, y. Their corresponding sides is 10 meters, so 10. X, y is 10 meters, so 5 and 10. Simplest form for this fraction is 1/2. So we divide both number by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay. And for Arez, look, for Arez is 4 meter, and YZ, look, YZ is 6 meter, equal to 2/3 again. And for S, the last side is SB is 5 meter, and ZW is 10. It's 1/2. So look, this side PQ, the ratio of PQ with WX is 2/3, and the ratio of RS with YZ is 2/3. That's good, but we should compare to the other sides. But the ratio of QR with XY is 1/2, and the ratio of SB to ZW is 1/2. So look, 2/3 not equal to 1/2. Look, 2/3 doesn't equal to 1/2 because of the corresponding angles are congruent, but the ratio of corresponding sides are not equal. At that time when they are not equal, the first one corresponding angle is no problem. Look, the corresponding angles are congruent, but the ratio of the corresponding side are not equal. At that time you tell me, so PQRS, PQRS not similar to YXZP. Okay, you tell me only this figure similar or not by corresponding sides and corresponding angles. I hope all of them understand very well, and I give you your homework number 3, okay, number 4, number 6, and which one? Number 7. I hope all of them understand very well. Have a nice day. Bye.